Hey everyone, Mike here, and today I'd like to introduce you to Samurai Steve. He's one of our team members and he does a great job collecting all the questions we get from you. Every now and then he'll pin me down to get you some answers, and then going forward, make sure to comment below any questions you have with the hashtag #HeySamuraiSteve. So let's go over this week's question. Steve, what do you have for me today?
Hey Mike, today's question is all about as-is sales. What are they? And what should everyone be aware of?
Great question, Samurai Steve. An as-is property is sold without a warranty as to condition, repairs, or structure, and usually you'll find these in more of a judicial sale and foreclosures. Now, the buyer with an as-is sale is on notice that the seller makes no promises regarding the home's physical status. And it would be, if you were to make a claim against the seller, it would be extremely difficult to get a claim with something like this if you were to find something wrong with the property after closing. Now, my recommendation is, as a first step, is if you're interested in an as-is sale, you should see if you can make the transaction contingent on a professional inspection and make sure that that's satisfactory to you. This way, if you're not satisfied, then the deal is dead. You can always get your deposit back in full. Now, depending on the scenario and situation, that might not be an option, for example, in a foreclosure. But there's always creative ways to make sure that you're protected. So if you're considering as-is sales, make sure to head over to planwithmike.ca. Let's have a chat about the pros and the cons and about these types of properties. Thanks for the question, Samurai Steve, and have a great day, everyone.